Okay, everyone. Today we're going to review possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. We use both of them to show that something belongs to someone, but they are used in different ways, and this difference is very important at B1 level. Let's start with possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives come before a noun, and they tell us who the noun belongs to. The possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. One important thing to remember is that possessive adjectives do not change in the plural. The noun changes, but the possessive adjective stays the same. For example, we say, "This is my book," and "these are my books." We also say, "That is her dress," and "these are her dresses." The word my or her does not change, even when the noun becomes plural. The same rule applies to all possessive adjectives: his tracksuit, our car, their garden. Now let's move on to possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are used without a noun. They replace a possessive adjective plus a noun when the meaning is already clear. We use them to avoid repetition and to sound more natural. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. For example, instead of saying "this book is my book," not "your book," which sounds repetitive, we say "this book is mine," not "yours." Here, mine replaces my book, and yours replaces your book. This is the main function of possessive pronouns. Just like possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns do not change in the plural. For example, "this book is mine" becomes "these books are mine," or "that car is ours" becomes "those cars are ours." The pronoun stays the same. It's also important to notice that his can be both a possessive adjective and a possessive pronoun. For example, "this is his jacket" uses his as a possessive adjective because it comes before a noun, but "this jacket is his" uses his as a possessive pronoun because there is no noun after it. Now let's connect this grammar with some vocabulary about clothes and fashion, which is a very common context for possession. For example, "this is my sweatshirt," "those are her sandals," "their tracksuits are very fashionable." Using possessive pronouns, we can say, "this backpack is mine," "the heels are hers," "these trousers are theirs." We can also combine possessive forms with adjectives to give more information. For example, "my jacket is very stylish," "her dress is too tight," "those clothes are ours," and "they're casual." This helps us describe clothes clearly and naturally. So, to finish, remember this key idea. Use possessive adjectives before a noun, and use possessive pronouns instead of a noun when the meaning is clear. If you ask yourself, "Is there a noun after it?" you'll know which form to use. Mastering this difference will make your English sound much more fluent and natural.